Hello and welcome to Code with Junie. In the previous tutorial, we discussed this line of codes. In this tutorial, we will be discussing the output syntax. In order to output information to the screen, we use the cout and double less than sign. Cout means console out. Let's add one line to display a text. You will realize there is a difference in line 7 and 9, but they are all displaying text to the screen. Let's add one more line for better demonstration. Now, you realize the output of line 9 and 11 are on the same line while that of line 7 is on top. This is because of the end L at the end of line 7. This means end line. It is used to create a new line and move the rest of the code output to the down. So now if we add it to line 9, it will move the output of line 11 to the next line. Also, we can achieve the same output by using backslash and n at the end of the statement. This is known as escape sequence. It must be in a quotation mark in order to work. In the case of creating a paragraph, we use \t where we want it. The backslash can be used with other symbols as well. In this case of displaying a text with a quotation mark, there will be an error. We will need to use the backslash in front of it in order for it to work. In the next tutorial, we will be discussing comments. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe for more.